Write a C program to check two given integers and return true if one of them is 30, x equal to 30 or y equal to 30, or if their sum is 30, x plus y equal to 30. So, what is the difference between int main parentheses and int main void between parentheses? In C++, there is no difference. Both are same. Both definitions work in C also, but the second definition with void is considered technically better, as it clearly specifies that main can only be called without any parameter. Int test int integer integer in printf test 25 5 20 30 20 25. In a nutshell, 1 and 0 will be shown on the terminal. 0 means false and 1 means true. 1 1 0 25 5, sum of this expression is 30, that's true, and one of them is 30, that's true, and sum of this number is not 30, or one of them is not 30, that's right. Write a C program to check a given integer and return true if it's within 10 of 100 or 200. ABS function in C returns the absolute value of an integer. The absolute value of a number is always positive. Only integer values are supported in C. Standard library header files supports ABS function in C language. So run this code. 1 means true, 0 0 means false. We are able to write this code by different methods. We clear return 1 and return 0, and if statement at return 1 0 0. The result is the same. Write a C program to check two given integers and return the value, whichever value is the nearest to 13 without going over. Return 0 if both numbers go over. Standard library header defines 4 variable types and various functions for performing general functions. Inputted numbers will be shown on the terminal because of this expression. So let's run this code. 8, 12, and 0. It's right. Write a C program to check a given array of integers and return true if the array contains 10 or 20 twice. The length of the array will be 0, 1, or 2. Let's refer to what a size of operator and function means. The size of operator is the most common operator in C programming language. It's a compile-time unary operator and used to compute the size of its operand. It returns the size of a variable. It can be applied to any data type, float type, pointer type, variables. When size of function is used with the data types, it simply returns the amount of memory allocated to the data type. The output can be different on different machines, like a 32-bit system can show different output, while a 64-bit system can show different of same data types. So the result of this problem is size of variable a is 4 the size of int data type, 4 the size of character data type, 1 the size of float data type, 4 size of double data type is 8. Array size here is equal to 0, and size should be equal to 2. Because the length of the array will be maximum 2, and 10 or 20 can participate it 2 times. Let's run this code. 0 false, 1 true, 0 means false. Let's check out this. 12 and 20, and this array contains 21 time, it means false. Second array contains 22 times, it means true, 1. And the third one means false, because array contains 10 one time. And note that you can write any number instead of 0 here. Write a program in C to find the largest element using dynamic memory allocation. Asterisk element. Asterisk can be used to declare a pointer variable, declare a pointer type. Asterisk element means that the variable element is a pointer to a float value. You can think of pointer like, if Andy asks you where Sally is and you point to Sally, you are a pointer to Sally. When you are at a hotel, you get the key to your room. The key tells you your room number. In a sense, your key is a pointer to your room. A pointer contains an address. A pointer tells you where the data is. You can have a pointer of a pointer. The C library asterisk CALL or C function allocates a requested memory and returns a pointer to it. So the null pointer. The null pointer is a pointer that internationally points to nothing. If you don't have an address to assign to a pointer, you can use null. The null value avoids memory leaks and crashes in applications that contains pointers. Exit 0. Exit 0 is used to terminate the program or let the control exit out of the program. We are already familiar with for loop and if statement. Let's run this code. Pointer finds the largest elements using dynamic memory allocation. Input total number of elements. Total number of elements 5. Number 1 4. Number 2 8. Number 3 45. Number 4 54. And number 5 21. The largest element is 54. Yeah, it's right. Write a program in C to input a string and print it. Char string 15 array, accept a string from keyboard, input the string. File get string is a function in the C programming language that reads a limited number of characters from a given file stream source into an array of characters. The prototype of the file get string is like this. Standard input is commonly used here for reading from the standard input. Let's run this code. Accept a string from keyboard, input the string. Where double free resource. A string you entered is double free resource.